Welcome to my today's session. So assuming I've got this kind of information, all right. So I have your student's name, I have them in class, fees, status, whether they have paid or not. I have how many students have paid. I want to do a count. So in this case, here to do a count nicely, so I would want this to be the title to make it bold. So Control B like that. So I want to know how many students have paid fees. So I'm using count if. So I'll come and say equals. So I'm typing there count if. I can see it is here. I'll be able to double click like that. The range, I'll come and highlight this entire column of C. So I'll come up here, highlight the whole of it, say comma, criteria. So we have here criteria. So I would want this Excel to count for me the paid status. So paid status, I'll come and say in this case here, quotation marks. I write the word paid, I close the quotation mark, and then I should be able to close the bracket. And then once in this case here, I say enter, you can see it is telling me that we have 4 students who have paid. And if you count them, Joshua is fully paid 1, Kamau. We have Otieno 3. We have Kamau again, in this case here paid. Sorry for repeating the Kamau, but I hope the point is at home. So please, for any advanced Excel trainings or business data analytics trainings, get in touch with us. Get in touch with us. Thank you very much. You can always inquire on this particular platform to be able to get our contacts. Thank you very much.